Welcome to Deepsea Finvest's Wealth Management app. To sign up, follow the process as shown in the video. In the advisor section, please enter Deepsea's number as mentioned here. Click on Sign Up. Fill up the basic details requested here, such as name, mobile number, email, PIN code, PAN number. Set up the password. Please keep a record of this. Enter the OTP you received. Click for Verify. Congratulations, you have successfully signed up for the app. In the advisor section, please re-enter Deepsea's number as mentioned here. Your username is your email ID. Password is the one you set up earlier. You have the option for instant login setup. Create a PIN, use biometric, or set a pattern. Hooray! You can now access our app.